Today's tour is not just about a home, it's about a vision. Welcome to a new property tour. A remarkable historic villa in the Florentine Hills, currently under renovation, is being transformed into 8 one-of-a-kind residences with world-class amenities. Nestled among the gentle hills of Fiesole and just minutes from the city center of Florence stands out this 16th century villa, once home to a Jesuit monastery that carries centuries of charm and a new life, of exclusivity, and a place where timeless tradition meets perfectly contemporary living. This prestigious complex is equipped with an elevator that connects all levels and features 8 exclusive residences. The apartment range in size from 148 to 326 square meters, each offering 2 to 3 bedrooms and 3 to 4 bathrooms, and its own private garden and cellar. Some units also include a private terrace. Here, residents will enjoy the access to a wellness area with gym and spa, an underground garage with 3 reserved parking spaces, a magnificent Belvedere with Florence view, and beautifully landscaped shared parkland and Italian-style garden. Prices start at 1.3 million euros, with the project scheduled for completion in December 2025. In just 5 months, more than half of the apartments have already been sold, so don't miss your chance and come with me. The apartments have been carefully restored to highlight the original architectural feature, while offering refined contemporary finishes and the state-of-the-art technologies. Inside the residences, we discover bright and elegant interiors, enhanced by soaring ceilings, fine materials, and timeless architectural details. Original frescoes and period features have been meticulously preserved, adding unique historical value and character to every single residence. The living spaces are bathed in natural lights with the grand salons and elegant dining rooms that exude timeless elegance. Kitchens are designed with both style and functionality, perfect for modern living without compromising on classic charm. Thanks to its prime location, just minutes from Florence city center, its complete renovation and the generous indoor and outdoor spaces, this property is the perfect choice for families with kids, as well as couples seeking a prestigious residence. With exclusive shared wellness area, private gardens, and world-class amenities, it offers a truly refined lifestyle in one of, we can say, Tuscany's most desirable settings. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive property tour. Subscribe and let us guide you to the most extraordinary residences in Italy. Ciao!